to share, so be sure you share this video with your friends and be sure to like it. I first put my apron on because I don't want to get dirty, and then I have my plate and my little knife, but make sure that you don't have a sharp knife, but it's a knife that Mommy and Daddy approve of. Then you get raisins, which by the way come from grapes. Oh, we're gonna see how that happens. And then we make sure we have peanut butter, which comes from peanuts. And then we make sure that we have a package of celery, because the celery gets cut up into smaller pieces, because that's what you're going to cut up to make your log. It's very important to wash all